Dog whistle politics was always there, but it was on the margin. We are seeing mainstreaming of dog whistle politics. That worries me that if a section of our population, you are not only aiming at political disenfranchisement, legal disenfranchisement, social disenfranchisement, and the most is psychological. We always had bridges across community. Bridges are being burnt and it is being celebrated that we have burned one more bridge. Creating distances have become the hallmark of contemporary politics, largely carried by the ruling party. Not only distances are created, they are put on as badge of honor.